hitch in his gear, but it's the only replacement he has on hand.
You know, on a trip like this, you bring a lot of stuff you don't need because all of a sudden it's the most valuable thing in the world. Okay, so that works.
Peace.
But that hitch breaks. So I got
Why are you
problems.
sleeping?